guys, I'm your guide in CS07 Today we'll be talking about the experiment 2 in the System Software and Compiler Design Lab. So in this we're going to do this symbol table generation. I did it using the Python. So let me show you the code. Symbol table generation is nothing but when you give a certain input, it's going to show you what types of data are there in it, data types in the table form. So tokens is equal to split. So these are the data types I give, and these are the punctuations, and these are the operators. All of them are lists. So token is an empty list. So this is source, which is also empty. So with open input.txt file. So this is the input.txt file which we are going to give as the sample input. Both are in the same directory. So this is the sample input. So this is int a comma b is equal to 5 and car c is equal to d, as ma'am mentioned in the classroom. So now with open input.txt file for line in file, so we're going to fill this source with this input which is there in the text file, because we can't directly append everything from the text file. So this source is going to change into the every text that is given in the input. So now tokens is equal to source dot. So tokens is nothing but every input we typed in the input, now it's going to go to source, and source is being split into single digits which goes into the tokens. So tokens is going to have single inputs of everything that we gave in the input text document. So identifiers, so we're going to have all the identifiers in this particular array. So for enumerate tokens, and we're going to search the token if it is present in data types, punctuations, and tokens. So not in operators and token, and not in operators and token. So we're going to try it into taking it into int of token. If it's token, we're going to pass it except value expect, except if it's a value error. So this is my register number and everything. So n is equal to length of tokens. Now we have the length of tokens, so we can scan till the end. So for I tokens and enumerate tokens, now we're going to differentiate these singular digits in what categories they belong. So taking equal spaces, I tried taking equal spaces, but there is a bit not linear structure in the output. So as you can see here, we're going to scan everything, and we're going to change, and we're going to print everything according to what and where they belong. So let me run this program. So let's check the input document side. So as you can see, the first is data type, and that's int. So a is int and b is int. So as you can see, and c is of car. So return type is null. We have no return types for those. It's not a function. So initial value for a is null, and b is equal to 5. Number of parameters and everything will be null. So c initial value is d, because we gave the d, and this is add and double is another id. So what's data types are those? Double, and x is double, y is double. So initialization, we haven't initialized anything to it. So this for the second experiment. Thank you.